This is the progress report for our project SafeShare. So Rachel Kiesling, was the group leader for this week. I managed all the subsystems and delegated tasks. All of us, all 5 members, worked on our own database for our own subsystems and designed the user interface for that subsystem. This is some of the sample data for what I did. And my subsystem is disclosing information, creating the disclosure forms. Essentially, this is all the information that the client will create in their disclosure record. And this is an example of the tables. And this is a user interface for the disclosure authorization or authoring. As an example of what would be in these forms. My groupmate Jeremy did the selective disclosure subsystem, and this is the sample data for his subsystem. And this is regarding what the client will actually share. And here are the database tables for his subsystem. And the user interface. My groupmate Austin has the delivery system subsystem. And this is the sample data. And here is the user interface of what that subsystem would look like, how the data would actually be shown. These are the database tables. My groupmate Wakar has this for his sample data, and he is in charge of access control and revocation of the information from the client to the recipient. And here are the database tables for his subsystem. And the user interface. And my groupmate Anthony is in charge of audit and monitoring. And here is the sample data. This is the selection of tables for the subsystem and the user interface. And that is what all of us have done for this progress report.